Hi everyone, and welcome to our brand new calligraphy series called Gothic Italic on our YouTube membership. I'm so excited to begin this journey with you. So far, this has been the most requested script that many of you wanted to learn, the beautiful script called Gothic Italic, often known as Blackletter. It blends the graceful movement of Italic with the strong architecture of Gothic, and that beautiful black letter rhythm and sharp contrast that makes every stroke stand out. And even if you have zero experience with calligraphy or writing with dip pens, don't worry, in this series, I'll guide you step by step from the very beginning. What you can expect in this series. Each week, I'll upload a short lesson, about 5 minutes, focusing on learning our script, Gothic Italic, and one practical tip to help you avoid common mistakes many people fall into. No complicated editing, just the natural pace of writing, exactly as it happens on the desk. My goal is to make this digestible and enjoyable, almost like we're sitting down together for a quiet writing session. You can simply watch and relax, or follow along in real time for your own practice. I can't wait to start this new series with you in the next video. See you soon!